Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Teacher Elmi's class. Today we are going to learn a new topic from your textbook, which is Unit 8. The title is Where Were You Yesterday? The objective of today's lesson is to read and say about where someone was in the past. Let's go through some vocabulary about today's lesson. Circus, amusement park, shopping center, home, playground, theater, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Now let's sing a song from the textbook, page 75. The title is Where Were You?
Where were you?
Where were you yesterday?
We were out, we were out, we were out all day.
Where were you in the morning?
I was at the shopping center, at the shopping center. I was at the shopping center yesterday morning.
Where were you in the afternoon?
I was at the theater, at the theater. I was at the theater with June.
Where were you in the evening?
We were at home, we were at home, we were at home yesterday evening.
Do you enjoy the song? Alright, so what is where were you? Where were you is same as where are you. The difference is the word were and are. Were is used for the past. The question is asking about where is someone in the past. In the past means yesterday or last week or in the evening or in the morning, which is something that already happened. This is same goes to this question. Where was she? Where was she is same as where is she. Was is to show that it is happened in the past. Let's get back to the song. Look at the underlined questions. Where were you yesterday? Where were you in the morning? Where were you in the afternoon? And where were you in the evening? Alright, so let's answer the question. Let's answer for the first question. Where were you in the morning? The answer is I was at the shopping center. For the first picture, it is at the shopping center. The second question is, where were you in the afternoon? The answer is, I was at the theater. So, picture number 2 is at the theater. And the third question is, where were you in the evening? We were at home. So the answer is at home. Now let's ask and answer some questions. Look at the boy and the girl. The boy is asking, where were you yesterday evening? And the girl answer, I was at home. Now look at this table. This is how to ask and answer question correctly. Look at the first one. The question is, where were you yesterday? The subject is you. So the answer should be, I was at the shopping center. Now look at the second one. Where was he or she yesterday? We use the word was when the subject is he or she. It means one person. So the answer should be he was at the shopping center or she was at the shopping center. Remember, when the subject is only one, use the word was instead were. Now look at the third question. Where were they yesterday? The subject is they. They is many people. So we use the word were for the question. Where were they yesterday? So the answer should be they were at the shopping center. Please remember, when the question is were, the answer should be were also. Alright, now let's practice how to ask and answer.
Where were you on Saturday?
I was at the circus, Miss Brown.
How was it?
It was funny.
So the question, where was she on Saturday? The answer should be she was at the circus. Let's look at the second one.
I was at a fast food restaurant yesterday evening with my family and a friend. The cheeseburgers and chips were delicious.
The question is, where was he? Since the subject is he, so the answer should be he was at the fast food restaurant.
Where were you on Saturday afternoon, Ben?
On Saturday afternoon, my family and I were at the cinema.
Was the film interesting?
No, it was boring, but the popcorn was great.
Now look at the third question. Where were Ben and his family on Saturday? Look at the subject, Ben and his family. There are many people in this. So, the pronoun for this is they. The answer should be they were at the cinema. Let's try another one.
Well, I wasn't at the circus, and I wasn't at a fast food restaurant or the cinema. I was at the playground, and later at the hospital.
So, where was he? The answer should be he was at the playground and later at the hospital. I hope you understand on how to use the question where were you yesterday and where was he or she yesterday. Alright, it's time for you to do some exercise. The first exercise, you have to listen and match to the picture.
1.
Hi, Jill. Were you at home yesterday afternoon? No, I wasn't at home. My friend Maria from Italy was here and we were at the shopping centre.
2.
Where were you yesterday evening, Bill? Were you at the theatre with Jim?
No, I wasn't. I was at home. There was a good film on TV.
3.
Hello, Kate. Were you at the park yesterday?
No, I wasn't. I was at the cinema.
There are only 3 questions, so make sure you match it correctly. Alright, the second exercise, you have to write it down in your exercise book. Please fill in the blank with the correct word was or were. That's all for now. Thank you. See you soon.